Hi guys, welcome back on Miden Boards. Today is going to be Wednesday. So for whole this week we are going to have a wide variety of workouts. Today we are going to focus a little more on core. That's everyone love it. They want very strong, nice and healthy core. So we need to do some of the work on the core, and that's what we're going to do today. Okay, for today's warm-ups, we are going to start with little pumping up blood so quickly. So that's going to first is going to be foot fire. Okay, foot fire and 2 drops. Okay, so what you're going to do, 50 foot fires and 2 drop to the planks. Okay, so foot fire, you're going to stay below, bend your knees like a squat, lean forward, chest down and move your leg faster. Okay, so once you finish 50, you have to quickly drop to the plank. 1, 2, again 50. So 50 foot fires, 2 drops, and again start with 50. So likewise, I'm going to do 10 times. Okay, that's going to be quickly pump up your blood, quickly increase your body temperature. That's what we are looking at. Okay, if you're tired, for beginners, go slow, but go on 50 steps. Fast foot, 2 planks, and if you in between, if you stop, you are ready. You are allowed to stop, or you can stop at any point. Okay, so once you do this, then for today's we got dynamic warm mobility or stretches. Dynamic stretches, that's going to be first. It's going to be straight leg kicks. Okay, so for straight leg kicks, this leg straight, second leg also don't bend your knees. Okay, no thrust kicks. Okay, don't bend your knees. So leg straight up, straight your hamstring and go back. So 10 reps on one side and then 10 reps on other side. Okay, so once you finish those, then you will lean forward. So this time hinge from the hip, lean forward, kick the backward and go maximum range as possible, and then change the side. So 10 reps on each side. Okay, once you finish those, then you got side kicks. Okay, side kicks, 10 sides, then 10 left. Okay, so once you finish those 10, then you want to keep your hands here, knee to elbow. Okay, knee to elbow, 10 on each side. Once you finish 10 knee to elbow, then knee circle. Okay, so you can keep your hands here, knee circle. So 10 right, 10 left. Once you finish 10 knee circles, then go down, touch your toes. 10 right and then 10 lefts. Once you finish those, grab your knee, pull your knee toward your chest and then switch. Okay, so 10 reps, 5 each, 5 on other side. Once you finish those, then you want to hold ankle, pull your ankle toward your chest and then go down and then switch the side. Okay, so 5 on left, 5 on right. Okay, once you finish, then you got hold your ankle, pull your knee toward pull your hip toward your hips, body straight. Okay, make sure your knees are close to each other. So 5 right, 5 left. Okay, once you finish those, then I'm going to do the scissors. Okay, 10 scissors. Squeeze your back when you do the scissors. After this, you got start stretch. Start stretch 1, 2, and 3. Okay, that's one leg. So like this 5 times. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, once you have those, then next, what you will do? Rotate your wrist. 10 forward, 10 reverse. Okay, then neck twist on one side, then twist on other side. Okay. Then look down, look up. Okay, so this was today's dynamic mobility. Okay, so after mobility, we are going to move on the core work. So for core work, the first work is going to be scorpion plank. Okay, scorpion core work that I'm going to show you how to do that. Then after that, we got windshield wiper. Then we got plank walkouts. Okay, so scorpion core work, that's how it's going to be. For this scorpion core work, you need to go on plank. Okay, from plank, you want to start from any of the leg, maybe right or left. So you start with the right leg to right knee to the left elbow,
maximum range and then go back on same position. Again, left knee on right elbow, then straight up, twist on opposite side and come back to the plank. Okay? So this we will do 10 reps. Once you finish 10 reps, you got windshield wiper. For windshield wiper, you will do lie down on back, hand this side, leg straight 90 degree, head on floor. Head toe pointed up. Go on left side, maximum range, come back to the center, go on opposite side. Okay, keep your legs straight all the time. Okay, that was windshield wiper. Then plank walkouts. For plank walkouts, we're going to start from here. Walk forward, forward, forward. Go maximum range. Hold tight. Then walk back to the standing plank. Okay. So for this plank, make sure you keep core tight all the time. Ribs inside. If your hip started surrendering, stop at that point. Okay. So make sure while doing this, you're rounding, squeezing the back, not doing this. Okay. Don't do this. So round, squeeze the glutes, keep that core tight all the time. Okay, and then slowly walk back to the same position. Okay, after that we move to the workouts. For today's workout, there are only two workouts for today. That's going to be box dips. Box dips, that's going to be triceps. Okay, the work today written on triceps. And then we got a Bulgarian squat, split squat. Okay, so for that, what we'll be requiring a box, bench, chair, or your sofa, your bed, anything. Okay, so for box dips, first what we need to do is first you can sit. Okay, keep your hands beside your hip, then slide forward. Okay, keep your chest upright. Start from full extension, elbow ko lock karo. Okay, press the shoulder down. Okay, don't do this. Don't shrug up your shoulders. Shoulder down and hip goes straight down. Okay, bend from your elbows, go down maximum range, come up, back to full extension. Okay, if you want to go little more intense or you want to go more load up, keep your legs straight and do the same thing. Okay, so this was tricep dips. Then you got Bulgarian split squat. For Bulgarian split squat, what you will do is keep your one leg on top of the box, bench or your bed, and from here I want to squat down. Keep my torso upright. Bend your knees. Balance weight on your hip. Okay, don't keep your weight on your toes. Toes pe nahi jana hai. Okay. And go maximum range, body upright, extend your knees and hips. Again, go back and up. Okay, so how it's going to work out today? So repetition scheme for today is going to be, first round you're going to start with 2 reps. Okay, so 2 reps, what I'm going to do, 2 dips and 2 Bulgarian squat. So this time you're going to start with the right. Okay, so right 1 Bulgarian squat and left 1 Bulgarian squat. Okay, second round is going to be 4 dips and 4 Bulgarian squats. So 2 right, 2 left. Then third round is going to be 6 dips, 3 right, 3 left. Fourth round is going to be 8 and 8. So 4 right, 4 left. So likewise, every time you want to increase 2 repetitions per round, and this you need to keep increasing till 12 minutes. So this is going to be 12 minutes, as many rounds as possible. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoy this workout. Please let me know your score, how much your scores for 12 minutes. And stay tuned for Thursday's workout. Thursday's workout is going to be more fun. Thank you.